Factorize the expression 36k squared minus 49p squared. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The expression is 36k squared minus 49p squared. From indices, we know that 36 can be written in index form as 6 squared, and 49 can be written in index form as 7 squared. And so our expression will become 6 squared k squared minus 7 squared p squared. We know from indices that if we have a exponent n, b exponent n, it can be written as ab exponent n. So if we apply that here, then 6 squared k squared can be written as 6k squared, and 7 squared p squared can also be written as 7p squared. This is a difference of two squares. From algebra, we know that if we have x squared minus y squared, which is a difference of two squares, we can factorize it as x plus y times x minus y. So if we apply that here, then 6k squared minus 7p squared can be factorized as 6k plus 7p times 6k minus 7p. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is D.